Guys, in this video, we are just going to check out exercise 3.1, first question, class 10 max. This is a very easy concept. We have two more questions in this exercise. I'll do a separate video for that, but in this video, we are just going to check only first question. So without any delay, let's get into the first question. Let's read the question first of all. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, once you have an idea of question, let's go and analyze it and then make a equation. Okay, now we have two characters. One is Aftab and his daughter, and two different situation. One is 7 years ago, another one is 3 years from now. Okay, this is clear. Now we just don't know what is the age of Aftab and his daughter. So let's keep Aftab's age as X and daughter's age as Y. Any variable. Okay. Now let's go for the first situation. 7 years ago, what would have been Aftab's age and daughter's age? He says that I was 7 times as old as you were then. Okay, now just a guess, x minus 7, because x is of age, okay, and 7 years ago minus 7. 7 years ago, so it's minus, not plus. And daughter's age y, 7 years ago his daughter would be minus 7, y minus 7. Now as you have read this, you will have to come to an idea that Aftab's age is going to be 7 times of his daughter's age. That's what he said in sentence. We are just going to form an equation. Now Aftab's age x minus 7 is equal to 7 times y minus 7, because y minus 7 is his daughter's age. Now remove the bracket. For that, x minus 7 is equal to, you're just going to multiply the 7 with the y and the same 7 with the another 7 inside the bracket. So 7 into 7 you get 49, and we have subtraction symbol here, so minus. X minus 7y, here this plus 7y is transposed to this left side, so it becomes minus 7y. And here if you check out, minus 7, when you transpose this side, you get plus 7. So minus 49 plus 7. Here minus 49 plus 7, different signs, so we are just going to subtract it. X minus 7y is equal to 49 minus 7 is 42. Our greater number sign is subtraction sign, so minus 42. At last we are going to find the first equation, x minus 7y. When you transpose this minus 42 this side, it becomes plus 42 is equal to 0. So we got our first equation, that is the analyzement of the 7 years ago Aftab's and his daughter's age. Now 3 years from is another situation given. There Aftab's age would be x plus 3, because it's not before, it's not ago, it's going to be. So plus 3. Daughter's age y plus 3. Okay. Now the same thing, if you go back to the question, he says the same thing. I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. So here 3 times of his daughter's age. So x plus 3, Aftab's age is equal to x times y plus 3, that is his daughter's age. So now we are going to form x plus 3. The same thing what you have done here, the same here we are going to do. 3 times y is 3y, 3 times 3 is 9 plus. And now this plus 3y is going to transpose and become minus, and plus 9, when this 3 is sent out there, 9 minus 3 is 6. That's what we got, minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is our second equation. So now we need to find the graphical method also. So they have said us to do algebraically and graphically. So normally when we do in a graphic method, we need two things, x-axis and y-axis. So now for that we have a separate method. It's a very simple method. First, let us take the first equation that we form. X minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. And in that, x minus 7y plus 42 is transposed here. So it's minus 42. And x is equal to 7, y minus 42. So only when you find this, you can do the next step. So be careful when you do this. Okay. Now the concept here is that you are going to take any number that you feel it's going to be easy and have that as y. Okay, any number. This is all my own numbers that I feel it's very easy for me and it's comfortable for me. You can choose whatever number, but the thing is you have to not, you should not do mistake here. Okay, now first I took y as 5. So same thing, we are just going to transpose 5 in this place. That's it. So x is equal to 7y minus 42. When my y is 5, x is equal to 7 times 5 minus 42. That's nothing but 35 minus 42. Now if you subtract this, you get 7 and greater number sign is minus. So x here is minus 7. So for my first pair, the answer that you get is x. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, x is minus 7. So I'm just going to write it there. And y is 5. That's it. Now the next digit that I took is 6. So same, instead of no, we used 5 here, instead of that you're going to use 6 here. So 7 into 6 minus 42, 42 minus 42, 0. So my second number is going to be x is equal to 0 and my y is 6. Okay. Now third number that I took is 7. So here 7 sevens are 49 minus 42, 7. So my y is also 7. Okay. And my x is also 7. Okay. So we got the x and y for first equation. Okay. Once you're done with it, let's go for the second equation. So here I've written the second equation. If you see here, this is the second equation. In this, x minus 3y is equal to 6, and we are just going to transpose this minus 3y as plus here, and this is the x formation. So here the same concept, I can take any 3 digits for second equation also. So I have taken minus 2 just for a change. So x is equal to 3y plus 6. Instead of y, I'm going to replace minus 2 plus 6. 3 times minus 2, you get minus 6 plus 6. Different signs subtract, you get 0. So for my first y, I got minus 2 and x as 0. Okay. Now the second y that I have took is 0. Okay. When we replace this 0 here, 3 times 0 is 0 plus 6, nothing but 6. So we'll write this down here. My y is going to be 6 and my x is going to be 6. Sorry, y is equal to 0 and x is going to be 6. Now y is equal to 1. This is my third one, and instead of y here, we're going to replace 1. 3 times 1 plus 6. 3 plus 6, 9. So my third number is y 1. X is equal to 9. So my second equation's variables. Okay. This is what going to be our coordinates of the graph. Okay. Now let's go to the graph. I wrote this in a rough note. It's better you just practice in a graph note. Just for the video, I'm just taking in this, but doing in graph is better. Okay. Now, first let's go for the first equation's variables. We have here minus 7, comma 5. Actually, there is a form when you mark the coordinate. It's very easy. X comma y. Always your form should be x comma y. Okay, my x coordinate is minus 7. So I'll go here. Minus 7 comma 5. So y 5 I have here. So it's going to be here. Okay. minus 7 comma 5. Okay, first I replaced it. Next we have 0 comma 6. So x-axis 0 comma 6 I have plot here. So that is 0 comma 6. Okay, then 7 comma 7. Okay, 7, where is 7? Here we have 7 comma 7 up there. Okay, 7 comma 7. So now what you're going to do is just draw a line and connect this. The dots that you made, just you're going to connect it. Okay, at last I'll connect it. We'll do the second one also. Second equation we got first 0 comma minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is here. So 0 comma minus 2. Then I got 6 comma 0. 6 comma 0. It's going to be here. Okay, that's nothing but 6 comma 0. Now I have 9 comma 1. Actually I didn't write here, so you can take anything. Okay, 9 comma 1, it's going to be here. So draw a line to join this. So nothing but first plotting the coordinates that you got and just draw a line. Okay, it will connect, and those are the answers for your question. I'll just draw and show you guys.
This is the right graph, so kindly check to it, and thank you so much for watching this video.